For today, I'm going to answer the question from one of our subscribers, Grace. Her question was, how did you pay the tuition fee from Philippines and any suggestion with minimal and interest fee? I considered four resources para makapagbayad ako ng tuition fee na makahiram ako ng or gather of my funds with like minimal interest. First would be as help to your relatives. I don't know if that's possible, pero why not try, 'di ba? And then kasi yun, pwede kang mag-negotiate ng interest dun, and then provided lang na you really have to comply na 'pag sinabi mong ganito kaya mo bayaran, babayaran mo. A person with, let's say one word na when you say something, do it, para hindi rin masira yung trust. And then second, yung mga reliable na online banking apps. What I mean is, SeaBank, Maya. Maya yung nakatulong sa akin din. And then Shopee, meron din siyang S-loan na feature. Pero provided na yung mga sinabi kong yun, like SeaBank, Maya, Shopee, dapat lagi mo rin silang ginagamit para maging eligible ka sa feature na yun. And then, the third one would be banks. I mean, yung big banks natin dyan sa Philippines. Kasi ako, what I did, di ko naman talaga sadya, pero natataon lang na when I started like, I think mga 27 ako, na-realize ko na meron namang magandang dulot yung credit card. Kasi mag-earn ka ng points, pwede ka rin mag-rebate while you are paying for your groceries. So, kumuha ako ng credit card. And then, nasundan na siya ng ano, pagka kumukuha ako, mabilis lang, na-approve agad. So, ang ginawa ko dun, kasi ayoko rin ng, alam mo yun, na interest. So, I pay my credit billing in due time. And then, like, after 6 months, actually, particular ako sa Union Bank. If you were to ask me kung anong bangko tong sinasabi ko, yung Union Bank kasi, parang after 3 to 6 months ko siyang ginagamit, yung credit card, ano, nag-apply ako ng personal loan and then luckily na-approve ako. So, 'di ba? Gano'n naman eh, if they are seeing that you have a good credit standing, so hindi naman magiging hesitant yung bank para pahiramin ka. Pero for me, outstanding yung Union Bank kasi nakakatuwa lang na na-approve ako agad. Like, na-appreciate nila yung nagbabayad ka ng bills mo on time. So, all I can say is, para mas mapadali, like, you build a good credit score talaga. Kung gusto mo ng Union Bank, yung link ko ilalagay ko sa comment section para pwede ka rin kumuha muna ng credit card, and then from there, hopefully ma-approve ka tapos build your credit score. Tapos parang after few months, like 3 to 6 months, try mo mag-apply ng personal loan. So, that helped me so much. And then, yung pang-apat na sinasabi ko would be co-op. If you're familiar with co-op, sila yung organization. Probably meron din sa metro, pero mostly sa province yun. Yung nagpapautang talaga sila and then to earn dividends. Yung money na collect nila from the member, ipapautang nila yon, and then lahat ng member maghahati ng dividends the end of the year. Buti na lang, meron akong friend na nagtiwala sa akin, like siya, yun yung nakatulong sa akin. Yung mga bagay na nakatulong sa akin to gather funds with minimal interest. And I hope I answered your question. And if you have any follow-up question, you can DM me on my Instagram at Faith Dioses. And that's it. Thank you very much.